Hey everybody, today I'm going to take you through this resale of a Trinidad Bay. I'm so excited about this. Let's go see what it has. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. So as we enter, beautiful Trinidad Bay, you've got the nice high ceilings and your transom window and shelf there. So when you first come in, we take a left, come on around to a guest bedroom. And it is a full ensuite with a 3-piece bath. You've got a higher level cabinet and countertop. Okay. And then right outside of that, you've got a bath. So 2 pieces for those guests in case you have someone in the guest space and you want some more room. And as you move down the same part of the house, that's also where you have your den. And this one has a nook. You can make it a closet or a wet bar, just kind of whatever you would like. So take a view at the open living space. You can use this area as a seating area and maybe have your living room all here with potentially the dining room back there. Or you could have 2 living spaces, one here, one there, and then your dining here in the middle. Really, it's nice and expansive, whatever you'd like to do. This kitchen, they do have the extended island. And just take a look. So, a beautiful stone here. You've got the cooktop electric with the wall ovens. A nice large pantry, the beautiful hood. Just take a look around. Just off the kitchen, you have the 3rd bedroom, which is really nice because everything is a split plan. Not any of the bedrooms are next to each other. And it is also an ensuite. So they do have the cabinet here, your cabinet linen closet. You've got your same countertops and cabinets and a beautiful floor. One of the features I love so much in the Trinidad is this massive laundry room. So if you got creative, you could put a dog bath here if your fur babies need it. Your washer and dryer would be right here, and the rest of this could be cabinetry. And the main ensuite is in the back. So when you come in, they put the tile all the way to the top as far as for the shower. And then you do have your 2 sinks here. And just so much counter space. Your linen cabinet there. Dual closets and so much light flooding in this beautiful main bedroom. In this floor plan, as you get over here to head outside, that main bedroom is right off the back. So you can come right out here. This one has the extended patio and it's screened in the whole way and a beautiful preserve view. As you can see, this floor plan offers a 3-car garage, so it gives you a lot more space. You can get more details below as far as the floor plan, a link to the floor plans and anything you might be interested in. Or you're welcome to contact me at this number and I will absolutely help answer any questions that you may have. Okay, for now, this is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Bye.